Moving on to example 3. Without using calculator, find the value of cos multiply cos minus tangent. So in order to solve this question, let us solve separately the first part and let's solve separately the second part. And then finally, we can combine all of them together. So now this is very obvious. This is the pattern of product to sum, because you have cos A cos B is equal to this. Okay, so now let's use the formula, put in the value of A and B there. So this will be 1 over 2 cos A minus B, and then plus with cos A plus B. Okay, be careful, you have a big bracket here because half is applied to everyone inside the bracket. So now let's further simplify. You will have half in here is minus 60 degree, and for the second one, this is cos 150. So now let's simplify the angle here. You'll get half cos minus 60 degree plus cos 135 degree. So for even property, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, let's rearrange. Cos minus 60 now will become cos 60 degree. However, to solve for cos 135 degree, we need to use reference angle because 135 is not an acute angle. So 135, where are we right now? We are here in second quadrant. Second quadrant here is 135 degree. So now let's find our reference angle. 180 degree minus 135 degree. So this will be 45 degree. Now let's open up our cos 135 degree. This is second quadrant. Second quadrant is the houses of sine. Okay, according to add sugar to coffee, this is sine. So since we're playing with cos, we need to pay the fees, which is we must multiply with minus. Okay, so this is minus cos 45 degree. So now let's rewrite our answer here, minus cos 45 degree. Now for our next task, let us substitute the value of the exact number. Cos 60 degree will be half, minus cos 45 degree will be set 2 over 2. So we have solved the first part, which is the part of cos 37.5 degree, cos 97.5 degree. So now, since we have settled the first part here, let us focus to settle the second part. So the second part is the part for tangent 315 degree. So we need to use reference angle since the angle is too large, 315, right? So now you are here in the fourth quadrant. This is 315 degree. So now let's find your reference angle, 360 minus 315 degree. So this is 45 degree. Since you are in the fourth quadrant, this is the houses of cosine. Okay, so since we are doing tangent, we need to pay the fees. We need to multiply minus here. So minus tangent, your reference angle is 45 degree. So let's solve this. Minus tangent 45 degree is equal to minus 1. So now let's combine the answer for both parts. This is for the first part and the second part is minus 1. So finally, we can simplify. Our answer is 5 minus 2 over 4. Therefore, this is your final answer.